Good morning, students of class 5. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is your English grammar class. Okay, in the last 3 classes we practiced our English text. So today will be proceeding with English grammar chapter number 6, nouns. Okay, singular and plural numbers. So get ready with your book. Open page number 19. Okay, page number 19, get ready. Today we will discuss about singular number and plural number. Now let's discuss what is singular number and what is plural number. What is singular number? The definition is a noun standing for one person or animal or place or thing is said to be in the singular number. A noun standing for an animal, a person or thing, okay, or place is said to be in the singular number. For example, boy, cat. Okay, now come to the plural number. A noun standing for more than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, more than one place is said to be in the plural number. In short, more than one refers to plural number refers to more than one. Okay, for example, boy singular number, plural number is boys. Cat singular number, plural number cats. Okay, now let's discuss how to form plural number. Okay, in most of the cases we add s, okay, with the singular number, and we make it plural number. For example, cat plus s, adding s we make it plural cats. Okay, boy, boys. Another is noun ending in a hissing sound. Okay, for example, bus. Then we add es. Then adding es we make it plural. Buses. Bush. bush. Bush, bushes. Es. Another is nouns ending in o. Okay, if the noun ends with a o, then we add es. Mango, mangoes. mangoes. Potato, 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 potatoes. Add es. Okay, another form is nouns ending in f or fe, then change the f or fe to ves. Okay, for example, wolf, 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 wolves, wolves, wolves. Another is nouns ending in consonant plus y, then we change the y to ies. For example, city, 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 but in the plural form it is cities, cities. Another is army, 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 armies, armies. Okay, another is nouns ending in vowel plus y, then we add s if the nouns ending in vowel plus y. For example, boy, 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 then boys. Okay, monkey, monkeys, only s. Another is some nouns do not follow any of the rules. Okay, so we remember their singular and plural form. For example, child, children, they don't follow these forms. We just have to remember the singular form and the plural form. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Man, men. Woman, women. Okay, then tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Then goose, geese. Now some nouns are there, they are used in the same form as singular number and plural number. They are always in the same form. For example, deer, sheep. Okay. Now, and fruit is always used as singular. Okay. And but some words are there, some nouns are there, they are always used in plural form. For example, trousers, scissors, shorts. Okay, trousers, scissors, shorts, they are always used in plural form. So these are the rules. Now come to page number 21. And some words are there, they don't have any plural form. For example, furniture, scenery, and another is news. They don't have any singular form. Sorry, they don't have any plural form. News, NEWS, news. We always say news. Okay, it does not have any plural form. Now come to page number 21. Page 21, and the first H number, it is plural form, but it is for oral practice. It is for oral practice, so we can just practice orally. Verbally we can do it. Bus, buses, BUSES. Roof, roofs, ROOFs. Number 3, valleys, S. Number 4, teeth, TEE. Number 5, peaches, ES. Add ES. Number 6, women, WOMEN. Number 7, storage, S. Number 8, mangoes, ES. Number 9, knife, knives. Change the F into VES. Then number 10, story, make it plural. Just omit the Y and write IES. Next, 11, number 11, hobbies. Change the Y into IES. Number 12, photos, only S, add S. Number 13, mice, MICE. Number 14, flies. Okay. Then number 15, leaves. Change the F into VS. Now come to question number I. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the nouns given in bold into their plural forms, and make other changes if necessary. That means we have to change the nouns in bold letter to plural form. And if any changes are necessary, then we will do that. First one, the wolf chased the sheep. We will make the bold letters, bold nouns into plural number. The wolf chased the sheep. So write the wolves, WOLVES. The wolves chased the sheep, because sheep does not change. Number 2, put the book on the shelf. So write put the books, S, on the shelves, SHELVES. Number 3, the woman cut the mango with a knife. So change the woman into women, and mango, mangoes. Knife, knives, KNIVES. Clear? Number 4, the fairy played the piano. Change the fairy into fairies, FAIRIES. Fairies, pianos, yes. Number 5, the chief of the army got ready for a war. Chief, now it is chiefs, CHIEF, only S. Army, the chiefs of the army, ARMIES. Next, number 6, the lady took out the key from the purse and opened the lock. Lady, ladies, LADIES. Write the full sentence. I am only telling the plural form. The ladies took out the keys, only add S. Okay, from the purses, ES, and open the locks, only S. Number 7, the ox felt afraid of the wolf and ran away. Change the ox to oxen, oxen, and wolf, wolves, wolves. Now come to the question number J. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the nouns given in bold into the singular form. Here we have to change the nouns in bold letters into their singular form. Number 1. The geese made a lot of noise. So change the geese into goose, Gwse. Number 2. The doctor pulled out the aching teeth. Teeth change to tooth, Twth. Number 3. The children flew kites. Children, child, child, and kites, kite, kite. Number 4. The trees shed if in the last leaves. Trees, so write tree, tree, and leaf, leaf. Number 5. The servants swept the chimneys. So write servant, 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 and chimney, chimney. Now come to question number 6. Cars needed batteries. So change the cars into car, car, and batteries, it will be battery, battery. Now number 7. The mice had made holes in the box. So change the mice into mouse, mouse, and holes, hole, hole. Okay. So I hope you have understood, because this chapter is not difficult at all. It is easy. You have to just learn all the words and also remember. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.